Hey, Jeff Kelderman, Kelderman Trucks. Today we're going to go over this really cool 2020 blacked out F-350 Limited. So customers in California, and we found him this truck here locally and had it dropped off, and worked with him over the phone to build the exact truck he wanted. So a lot of matte black going on here, a lot of gloss black going on here. So what we did here, we started with our Alpha Series bumper, and it's got a winch 16.5 with the synthetic rope. So we did a matte center section, and then we did gloss wings to really make this thing pop. The other thing's cool about this has got our new 2020 grills that we just came out with. This is the Bravo model with dual 6-inch rigid SRs on it, and you can get a custom logo in here if you want with your business logo in it. So we got a couple different meshes in here, which is something new that we're real excited to show. And these are on our website, so you can go to kelderman.com and check them out. So we sent the headlights off to Eco Tint, got rid of all the chrome. So for the suspension on this, we chose our 6-8. So as you can see, we powder coated all the suspensions gloss, and then of course we got our custom tuned Raptor built shocks. These are cool, made up in Minnesota, way up north, and the ride is just fantastic on these things. So we got our billet clamps, real first class setup here. For wheels, we went with some 20-inch. These are actually some welds we had on the shelf. They were silver. Customer wanted them obviously matte black, so we sandblasted them and ran them through our new powder coat line. Got the exact color we wanted, so it matches up perfect with the center sections on the front and rear bumpers. So come around, and also we're running the open country RTs on it for tires, 37s. So you come around here, we got our badges here. We mixed these up just a little bit and changed it to where we run the same little honeycomb kind of stop sign, look on it, where it matches up perfect with the front grille. So coming around to the rear on our 6-8 rear suspension, it uses the same airbags used on our stock high and our 5-6, so we're not going to lose any carrying capacity with this big 350. As a matter of fact, it's going to pretty much haul whatever you can throw at it as far as a bumper hitch, or if you got a tall fifth wheel or gooseneck. So same deal with the front. We've got the tuned Raptor shocks, and we've got a MBRP blacked out exhaust to match the theme of the truck. And then another thing that's really cool we've been doing a lot of lately is we have our own cradle for the horn blasters that fits right underneath our box, which is the airlift 3H control system. So real clean finish, everything's easy to access, it's going to be easy to work on if you ever need to service it. Something new that we did on this truck that's really cool is the concept of just smoking out the outside of the taillight and then doing a matte clear on the center, which flows right into the matte black of the rear tailgate that we painted. So also painted each one of these limited letters individually to really give it that extra pop. Come down to the rear bumper, it's the Alpha Series. It's got the black monster hooks in it. Same deal, matte black center, gloss black wings. Another thing that really cool about our bumpers is being able to do the multi-colors. It just gives your truck something, a totally different look than anybody else has.